about being a child in Wales today is that you get to support the best rugby team and have Welsh as a second language.
The best thing about being a child in Wales is because you can learn lots of things when you're older, like geography, maths, Welsh and language. The best thing about living in Wales today is there are a lot of fun activities to do and there are lovely views.
Years ago we didn't have the opportunity to go to university, but I've got 8 grandchildren and they're all in university, all went to university.
I like being a child in Wales because I can play out on the parks and I feel happy and safe.
The best thing about being 9 and living in North Wales is all the outdoor things we can visit.
They feel as though they want more out of life as far as education is concerned. They want better jobs today.
My mum keeps me healthy, happy and safe, and my teachers, and I'd like to say a big thank you to all of them. Thank you.